Welcome back to the Motor Control Club. Today we will be wiring Project 2. In this video we will be introducing a 3-way switch and a 2-speed motor. Stay tuned to the end to see this circuit energized. Looking at our schematic here, we have our line side heading into a circuit breaker, heading into a single pole single throw switch, which will serve as a master switch in case we need to de-energize the circuit, heading to our 3-way switch, which will toggle on and off between the high and low speed of the 2-speed motor. So without further ado, let's start wiring. We have our line and neutral here, and starting with our line side, heading into the circuit breaker. I have the schematic here, and we'll show you line for line, connection for connection on the zoom-ins, just so you can associate what's going on the board versus what's going on paper. Coming out our load side, we'll be heading into terminal blocks for this demonstration. Now I'll try to interrupt as little as possible unless necessary and let you guys enjoy the visuals and sounds of the board. I'll go into more detail on these devices on the troubleshooting video of the series, but let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this video. Coming out our terminal blocks, now we're heading to our first switch. Circuit breaker to switch is now connected. Now coming off the load side of our single pole single throw switch, we're connecting to our common of the 3-way switch. The line side usually always connects to the common unless you're doing some type of weird configuration with the 3-way switch. But for this demonstration, we have our line side connecting to our common, and our other terminals of the 3-way switch will be in charge of the high speed and low speed of the motor. The terminal I'm currently working on right now is going to be in control of the high speed. And if we look at the wiring connection diagram of the motor, we have white as our common, black is going to be our high speed, red is going to be our low. So we'll start with black. High speed connection complete. Now working on our low speed. Going off our last terminal on the three-way switch, heading to our load side terminal blocks. Now we're taking our red wire. Our red wire is in charge of our low speed connection. And that takes care of our connection from our three-way switch to our two-speed motor for the low speed function. Now focusing on our common of our two-speed motor, which will be the white wire. That white wire needs to head back to our neutral. And this will take care of our final connection here. Our last step, our neutral. Right into the push-in terminal block. From our motor, we are now connected to our neutral. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to energize. Using our single pull, single throw switch to turn this on. First flip our breaker. And as you can see in our schematic, we have closed our single pull, single throw switch and have completed our circuit for our high speed connection. And now we've toggled down our single pole double throw switch, completing the circuit for our low speed connection. And that brings us to the end of our wiring video. Thanks for sticking it out to the end. Join us on our next video where we troubleshoot this circuit and I give you tips and tricks on how to navigate in the event something goes wrong. As always, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.